Here we are at 1 Bethany West. We've got some OTIS GEN2s.
Going up.
Get a cab view real quick, say hello to security. These are quite nice. They start and stop before the doors are completely shut, unlike the parking garage elevators, which take a second to start up. I do believe these are Gen 2. They sound like machine roomless, because it's quite loud up here.
8th floor.
These voices are way too loud.
Going down.
Yeah, you probably see it. Okay, you can't see it. Matter of fact, it did not start fast that time.
First floor.
It's a beautiful,
Going up.
beautiful lobby with these light up segments above. It's interesting. I guess when the elevator knows where it's going before the doors are shutting, it's able to prepare. So I'll try hitting 1 before the doors shut and see if that makes it decide to go down any faster. Yeah, these are tall. The elevator doors are much taller than the
8th
regular size.
floor. Going down.
Here's your certificate. All right, let's feel it. Yep, okay. So as long as your call is placed before the elevator starts shutting its doors, it seems, it'll kind of do some pre-checks, I guess, and it allows it to start falling before the doors shut completely.
First floor.
Let's take another one.
Going up.
Yeah, those are incredibly loud. But I really like these boxes above. They're really cool. Let's see which one we get. Oh, this one's worse.
Going up.
Oh my god. It's so tinny. How do they do this?
Eighth floor. Going down.
Let's see if we can catch this. See if we can see it starting up before it shuts. Yep. Okay, you can hear that motor. I don't know if you can see it, but you can certainly hear the motor beginning to spin up as the doors are almost shut. Yeah, a lot of these seem to have some problems near the bottom. It sounds like
First floor.
sounds like something's rubbing in the shaftway.
Going up.
Wow, that is so noisy. There it goes. Before we leave, we'll take a look at here. This is a brand new office building and it is really nice in here. And that's it.